In this particular Python script, I'll be showing you how to display the download speed and upload speed using Python. First, we need to install another library. Okay, so I'm already here at my terminal. Okay, let's try to install pip install speedtest-cli. Okay, let's try to press enter. Okay, so our comment already satisfied, which again means that it's already installed in our system. Okay, so let's try to code. So we need to import the library. Import speed test. Okay, speed is equals to speed test dot. Okay, next download. Try to create a variable called download speed dot download. Okay, another variable, and let's try to call it as upload since we want to monitor both upload and download speed. So we have here upload speed is equals to speed dot upload. Okay, so to output this time, print f um, upload speed. Then next is print okay download speed. Okay, let's try to see if it's going to work. So this is number 29. Okay, so let's try to run this code. Right click, run. It's currently running, but it's not displaying anything yet. Um, Speed it download, speed it upload. Okay, try to remove the period. Okay, so let's try to do that again. Okay, it's already displayed. So we have here upload speed is 518 and you have the download speed, it's 13,132. That's in bits, I think. Let's try to run it again. Let's just try to wait first. Okay, so you have 559 and you also have here 52. So for upload speed you have 5296. Okay, then you have your 59215. Okay, that's the upload and download speed. That's in bits, I think. Let me just check. Upload and download speed in Python. That's in bytes actually. So we have it's not in bits, but it's in bytes. Okay. If you find the contents of this blog useful or interesting, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. And if you wanted to be notified every time a new video is uploaded, don't forget to hit the bell notification button. Thanks.